I'm Sophie and welcome to the brand new 24MX garage. Today we've got a 2016 KTM 250 and we're going to be showing you how to change the plastics. So first things first, you'll have to remove the seat bolts. So you'll find the seat bolts just under here. So once you've got your bolts out, the seat should just slide off. So once you've took your seat off, there is 6 bolts that we need to take out of this bike. So you've got 3 on the top, 1 underneath and 2 on the rad. So after you've taken off both side panels, time to remove the number plate and the mud guards. So once the back end's off, now time to get the front. So once your bike's all stripped down, now time for the new plastics. That's it for this week's episode on how to change your plastics. Stay tuned to the 24MX garage for more videos.